Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Collaging is for the Birds hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. Check out the hashtag at Nrbirdcollage. Okay, so I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, now I got this out of a book that I had thrifted, and I'm going to put that down. And I thought her face was very interesting. So I want to kind of get this up, make sure everything is covered up. So right about there. Of course I move it. But I hope everything's going great with y'all. Not a whole lot going on here. I'm still walking. Although yesterday it looked like I showered. It was so hot. It was brutal outside. Humidity in Mississippi is not a joke. I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna put a little tick right there so I know where to put it. Oh, this glue. And I hate without the steel, it just turns the glue a different color. But I haven't been able to find stainless steel pens. Okay. Get this down. I think that is beautiful paper. Okay. And like I said, I thought her face was very interesting. So this, I think I will use my glue stick. I love to get a hold of interesting faces and images and such. Real people. I have to say, that's one thing I love about British television, is they use real people. Not all of them are just skinny and models and all like that. Here in America, it seems like everybody has to be real thin, and it's the odd thing that when it's not. Everything has that look, and it's really annoying, because most of us don't look like that. But the British TV, is real people. Not everybody's a model. There's nothing wrong with being pretty. There are beautiful people in the world, but not everybody is beautiful or hunked up or whatever. Okay, so I'm just going to embellish her a little bit. I got this pretty bird that I want to have flying across there. I don't mind that it goes a little bit out of frame. And I've got these lilies that I kind of want to put around her head. Something kind of like that. This is going to be a very simple one. I've got this one sitting on her shoulder, and I'll have this one sitting on her shoulder. And I like that. So, I didn't even have to cut this week. Sometimes simple is good. Sometimes I'm just in the mood for something pretty. All right. This was a children's book, Flight. I think I got it at a thrift store. There we go. And let me get this one around her ear. Let's see how I want it. I think I like it better kind of like that. Wish I had one more. There we go. Let me tack that down so it'll all be one. They say the humidity is going to be really bad this week. And I think a lot of the country is going to be dealing with a lot of hot, record high weather. Right, get my little birds on. I may have to find some more flowers just to kind of fill in there. Okay. Let me see what I can find. I'll be back. All right, I think I'm going to add some butterflies. Let's see how I want to do this. I like that one coming around. Maybe something like that. And that one coming like that, and then I can add that one in. And I'll add these at the top. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. She is so talented. And I love what she does. She does amazing surreal art and just very, very beautiful things. So be sure and check out her channel. Okay. And now I want to draw their antenna. And I think I want to go around this with my Stabilo just to make them pop. There we go. I'm still reading Dirty 30. I have not been getting very far in it. I have been trying to get stuff done during the day, and I'll usually only read at night, and then I've been so tired I don't read very much. I try to get a chapter in, but I don't even think I've been getting quite a chapter. I love the books, but this one is going kind of slow. Oops. I hate when I do that. This one, I've really enjoyed the bird collage. It's been a lot of fun. Let's see what else. I want to outline the bird. This one. And my crow friends we've been eating watermelon, and it's made them very happy to get the rinds. I ought to save some and make some watermelon rind preserves, but I think I still have some that I've already made. And I'm the only one that eats like jelly and jam and stuff like that with like biscuits. The only jelly my family eats is with peanut butter and jelly, and that's usually just grape. But it's funny, as a kid, my mom we had every kind of jelly and jam you could imagine. Crab apple, peach, cherry, plum, you name it. And to me, it was such a treat to get store-bought jam. When I'd spend the night with my cousin, I would get the store-bought jellies. And now I miss the regular. I haven't made much here lately, but I really got to where I like making jams and jellies. I watched my mom do it, but I didn't really do it until I got married and such. Alright. Well, I like how that looks. I hope y'all do. I just thought she had such an interesting face. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag Nrbirdcollage. So y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.